Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge the AC in your Mitsubishi Lancer. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and hands from refrigerant. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is turned off. Then, locate the low-pressure service port on your AC system, usually marked with an L cap. Now, let's connect the AC manifold gauge set. Firmly attach the quick connect fitting of the blue hose to the low-pressure service port. Once connected, the gauge will display the current pressure in your AC system. Consult your Lancer's service manual or a reliable online resource to find the recommended pressure range for your specific model. This initial reading helps determine if refrigerant is truly needed. With the gauge connected, it's time to add refrigerant. Screw the refrigerant can onto the charging hose. Start your Lancer's engine and turn the AC to its maximum cold setting with the fan on high. Slowly open the valve on the charging hose, allowing refrigerant to flow into the system in short, controlled bursts. Continuously monitor the gauge, aiming for the recommended pressure range. Once the gauge indicates the correct pressure, close the valve on the charging hose and carefully disconnect it from the low-pressure port. It's a good idea to check for any leaks using a leak detection kit or UV dye. If your AC system continues to underperform or if you suspect a more serious issue, it's always best to consult a certified automotive technician for a thorough inspection and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.